In this session, we are going to see how to migrate your data from Tally ERP9 to Tally Prime. So if you are using a Tally ERP9 and now if you are upgrading to Tally Prime, then how to convert your data from Tally ERP9 to Tally Prime. So first we'll go with Tally ERP9 software. So this is a screen what we get when you open a Tally ERP9. So before migrating your data, please take a data backup. You can take a data backup first and then start migrating to Tally Prime. So why? Because once you have used a data in Tally Prime, then later on the same data cannot be used in Tally ERP9. So for the safer side, we'll take a backup and then we migrate a data. So we'll go with backup. So in source file, I'm having a data. I'll give a data source file and even where I need to say my backup. And I'll take companies which I want to migrate and I'll select end of list so that I'll migrate this data to Tally Prime. So once I accept the screen, the backup will be done. So we have taken a backup. So the backup file, it says desktop backup file. So on my desktop, I'm having a file name called backup. In this folder, I have a backup file. So once the backup is done, so you can cross check where my data is saved. So my data has been saved in D drive, data 6.0.3. So now the same will be operated in Tally Prime. So it is already there. So it is in D, data 6.0.3. So if you see the backup files what I've taken, it says migration required. If you are opening a company for the first time without migrate, you can't use a data in Tally Prime. So we'll enter on it to migrate. Again in this screen, it will ask, do you want to migrate your data? If yes, again it will ask, do you want to take a backup? If you give migrate, Tally will take a backup again and it will start migrating. If you have already taken a backup, then you can go with a configure and you can disable option of backup so that Tally will not take a backup again. So we have two options. Either you can take a backup from Tally ERP9 itself, or while migrating you can take a backup. So I've disabled the backup option now and I'll start migrating. So it starts migrating my company. So depending on your data size, it takes a time. If it is very less, it will be migrated in fraction of seconds. So now the migration is done. You can work in Tally Prime. So this is a very simple procedure where you can convert your data from Tally ERP9 to Tally Prime. But be careful or be aware that before migrating, you have to take a backup. Thank you.